Hi there, it's Tasha from StardustGoldCrochet.com. This is version 2 of my Dusty Sprinkles scarf, a free pattern on my blog. Check it out. Okay, so we're using Lion Brand yarn in Woolies charcoal and an 8mm hook for this pattern. Check out version 1. This is version 2, so we have 3 tails on our braids. We're going to take 1, 2, and 3. We're going to put 1 over 2. And then put 3 over both and hook 3 up with number 2 on top of it. Then take number 1 and wrap it around the back. Squeeze them all together. Then we're going to go ahead and attach these doing a single crochet stitch. So grab your hook, piece them up and line them up fairly evenly. And you can use a needle if you want to sew these together before you use your hook, but I recommend the hook. So insert through the edges of the stitch and then grab your yarn, attach it to your hook and pull it on through. Then you're going to go ahead and chain 1 and we're going to work 8 single crochets across the top and work them through each one of those 3 tails. Try to make them as even as possible, but they don't really need to be perfect. It's just, you're just trying to get all these tails together so that you can create a foundation for your buttonholes and for your buttons, or for your tassels if you decide to add tassels to this. So keep going, and it's a little hard. They can be a little tricky to try to get them through all there, but like I said before, they don't have to be perfect. And we're almost there. Are you almost there? Check out version 1 of the Dusty Sprinkles scarf. This is version 2. You can check it out on my blog. Both version videos will be on my blog post for the Dusty Sprinkles scarf at StardustGoldCrochet.com. So here is the last stitch. We have 8, so let's count them. There's 8. So you're going to go ahead and chain 1 and go into the first stitch and work 1 row of single crochets across all 8 stitches. And this will create a stable base for your tassels or your buttons. So the next part, if you can stop here if you're going to keep both of them as just buttons or just tassels, but you're going to go on for the tassels, keep going on, and for the buttonholes. So we chain 1 and turn, single crochet into the first, then chain 2, then skip 2, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, chain 2, skip 2, and then single crochet into the very last stitch. And that's your buttonholes. So there you go. You've got 2-inch buttons, work great for this, 1.5 inch to 2-inch toggles. So now you're gonna cut your yarn, tie it, and weave in your tails. And if you know how to attach buttons, you can probably stop the video at this point, because the next part is basically showing you how to attach buttons. But if you don't know how to attach buttons, this is a good one for you. So this is a fisherman's knot here. Triple it up, pull it tight, then wrap it around 2 or 3 times, 3 times preferably, pull it tight. I did 2 fisherman's knots. Then cut it and weave both those tails in, and your button's going to be very secure. So go sideways when you weave in, go down. It's best to go all kinds of directions when you're weaving in tails. And get it secure. Go through your stitches, not just go through the middle of your stitches, not just on the outside. Alright, so we're almost finished. If you like this video, please subscribe. StardustGoldCrochet.com. You can find the full free pattern for this scarf. And there's also another video tutorial for this entire pattern. There you go. 2 buttons. Good to go. Oh my gosh, it works so great. Isn't it perfect? Yay! All right. Thank you guys. Have a great afternoon.